Hey guys, I'm Aiden Ramirez. Hope you guys are having a great day. Before I start, help me out by hitting the like button and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. Let's get right into it. Today my wife is going to share with you guys her best performing stock this year so far. She's also going to share some info on their latest earnings report.
Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today I'll be talking about my best performing stock this year, which is probably a company you guys haven't really heard of since it doesn't really have a huge market cap compared to other companies that always have headlines on news websites. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe not. The company that has really outperformed all my other stocks so far this year is Etsy. I started buying shares of Etsy when it was around $18 a share, and right now as I'm filming this video, it costs around $55 a share. I kept buying shares as it would dip from its new all-time highs, and therefore I averaged up. Because of this, Etsy has given me a 70% return of my money invested.
Funny.
Without a doubt, Etsy is the best growth stock that I have in my portfolio. There are so many reasons why I chose to invest in Etsy. One of them is that I knew a lot of people were selling handmade items on the website and they were actually doing good. Although I didn't buy anything from Etsy at the time, I noticed most sellers were doing really well with their sales. I looked into the company and realized it was a very strong company in a growing industry, which is e-commerce. Not only is e-commerce a growing industry, but you can even say it's on a mega trend as people are buying more and more stuff online than ever before, and that number is just increasing. Furthermore, the company was already profitable when I got in and had already competed with Handmade at Amazon for over 2 years. And they were still standing, and more importantly, growing their revenue quarter over quarter. On the Etsy website, it says Etsy is a global creative commerce platform that builds markets, services, and economic opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. Within their markets, millions of people around the world connect both online and offline to make, sell, and buy unique goods. It was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Brooklyn, New York. As you guys might or might not know, Etsy just had its earnings report, and it was yet again another fantastic quarter. Etsy's total revenue was $150.4 million for the third quarter of 2018, up 41.3% year over year, driven by growth in both marketplace and services. Gross profit for the third quarter of 2018 was $103.4 million, up 47.7% year over year, and gross margin was 68.8%, up 300 basis points compared with 65.8% in the third quarter of 2017. Total operating expenses were $84.7 million in the third quarter of 2018, up 35.3% year over year. The increase in operating expenses was driven primarily by digital acquisition marketing focused on driving GMS growth. Net income for the third quarter of 2018 was $19.9 million, with diluted earnings per share of 15 cents. Net cash provided by operating activities was $97.1 million for the 9 months ended September 30th, 2018, compared with $32.3 million in the prior year. The increase in net cash provided by operating activities for the 9 months ended September 30th, 2018 was mainly driven by revenue growth. Cash equivalents, and short-term investments were $584.1 million as of September 30th, 2018. In addition, Etsy's board of directors has approved a stock repurchase program that will enable the company to repurchase up to $200 million of its common stock. Repurchases under the stock repurchase program will be funded from Etsy's existing cash and cash equivalents or future cash flow. As of September 30th, 2018, Etsy had cash and cash equivalents of approximately $362.7 million. Etsy has approximately 120.5 million shares of common stock outstanding as of November 2nd, 2018. Right after its earnings report, Etsy skyrocketed. It went up over 30% right after its earnings report. Etsy is now about to double my money.
Thank you, God.
I am a long-term investor, so I'm not selling any shares at all, and I will actually continue to buy more shares every time it dips. I think Etsy has the potential to double my money multiple times in the future, and for that reason, it is one of my biggest positions. And like I said earlier, it is my best performing stock this year by far. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will be doing more videos in the future. Hit the like button and subscribe. Share in the comments what you think about Etsy. Also remember that this channel is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and all investments involve some degree of risk. Please invest responsibly and do your own due diligence. See you guys. Bye.